Can't live without your morning coffee fix? Well, neither can we. But did you know that besides kickstarting your energy levels and charging you up for the day, a coffee scrub can do wonders for your skin? All you need for this is a couple of simple ingredients to make your own coffee face scrub at home. Benefit of a coffee scrub: 1. Sloughs off dead skin cells and reveals new, brighter and smoother skin underneath. Using a coffee scrub all over your body and face during the shower automatically makes your skin soft to touch. Not to mention the invigorating aroma of coffee. It's enough to awaken your senses. 2. Helps in improving circulation. A coffee face or body scrub improves circulation to different body parts. Improved circulation means your cells are getting more oxygen and nutrients, which in turn makes your skin glow. 3. Tightens the skin. Coffee is an excellent scrub. It clears all the dirt and dead cells from the skin and boosts cell regeneration. Scrubbing not only improves the appearance of your skin, but also tightens it. The cell regeneration process also helps in reducing dark spots and uneven skin tone. 4. Prevents aging. Exposure to UV rays causes photoaging, but applying a coffee scrub to your face can reverse that. A study found that coffee grounds had a protective effect on the skin. It prevents wrinkles and fine lines and protects your skin from photoaging. 5. Reduces cellulite. Yes, coffee helps in eliminating the appearance of cellulite on your skin. A study found that caffeine could aid cellulite reduction when applied topically to different body parts. You will need 2 tablespoons coffee grounds, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon olive oil. Put all the ingredients in a glass bowl and mix well. Use it to scrub your face and body during the shower. So, why this works? Coffee tightens the skin and is an excellent exfoliant, while olive oil helps in keeping the skin nourished and moisturized. This scrub contains antioxidants that boost skin health and keep it glowing. I hope that you liked my video. Thank you and don't forget to subscribe.